Yo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, styling a bandana like a rapper. All you need to do is drop your hairs to the back and then grab your bandana. Like this. Pick one side like that, drop it like that. Then you have something like that. If they like the video, share out their thoughts in the comment section and subscribe. You can also check me out on all my socials at ms__boring. So time to place it onto your head. You just place it like that and then make a knot at the back. And there you have your style, quick and easy. So basically, if your hair was disturbing you, all you need to do is like that, and all your hairs will be at the back. You can always choose to maybe hold your hair. You can use the hair band to hold the hair at the back like that. You can also choose to hold the hair at the center, but in this case, this is how it goes. If you want to reduce the size, you just make another quick fold like that, and then just place it onto your hair like that, and then make this one even looks actually better than the other one with my hair that way. It's that easy. And so if you want to be more dramatic or anything, you can always do the knots and then just release them to be that long, and then you easily have something like that. So guys, check in the description for a link to more tutorials, and also make sure you just subscribe. You can always choose to have, if you have noticed, we have our ears outside, and I really love it like this. It looks good. So easy. Click right here to watch more of my videos. Amazing, right?